Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are making a Christmas favorite, some homemade eggnog. Reason being, I have never seen eggnog sold in South Africa. So, we're gonna make our own eggnog. Right, so what you need, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 6 large egg yolks, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a pinch of salt that's in there as well because it doesn't matter, 2 cinnamon sticks, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Quick and easy. We're gonna jump right in and do this. You ready? Let's do it. I'm gonna stay right here. So what we do is we combine the milk, the cream, our nutmeg and salt, our cinnamon sticks, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Right, we're going to move that over to the stove and combine it all on a medium-low heat. Medium-high heat, excuse me. What we're going to do while we're waiting for that to warm up a little bit and combine and get those flavors nice and delicious, we're going to beat our egg yolks and our sugar together. So we're going to dump your 6 egg yolks. Mine broke, obviously, because, you know, I'm not very good at doing anything ever. And your half cup of sugar. And we're going to beat it up. You ready? Let's do it. Alright, so now this is nice and warm. It's starting to boil actually. Oh jeez! Alright, okay. It's nice and warm. Here we go. And what you do is you slowly whisk this mixture into that one. Oh, it smells good. So we're going to add a little bit and whisk. Add a little bit and whisk. It smells so good. Add a little bit and whisk. And now we add the rest. This bowl is just big enough. I'm gonna leave those cinnamon sticks in there. I whisk that up just a little bit just to combine everything to make sure it's nice and delicious. And then we put it back into the pot and we take it back over to the stove and we whisk it up until it's a nice thickness that we want. Whatever thickness you desire. Delicious! Yay! I did it! And we take this back over to the stove, put it on a medium to low heat. We just thicken that until it's as nice and thick as we want it to be. Okay, I'm gonna let it thicken up a little bit more and then I'm just gonna let it cool before I put it into a jar. That's that. Done and dusted. Then we let it cool for about 1 hour to 2 hours. And then you can serve it. Put it in the fridge, obviously. So yeah, cool. I think that is good. That is perfect. Look at it. So this has cooled down enough for it to now go into this little mason jar that I've got. Oh, it's still a bit hot, but it's okay. I don't think it'll crack the bowl. We're just gonna pour that all in there. Cinnamon sticks and all. It did all fit. I'm a master. Alright, we just close that up and we're going to pop it in the fridge for about 1 hour, 2 hours, as long as you want really, and let it cool, and then we're going to serve it. That's that, done, dusted. Okie dokie, we're back. The whole day has passed. We're playing Dungeons and Dragons. Fun Sunday activity, but it's Wednesday? I don't know. Anyways, this is clearly chilled. Yay! It smells so good. We're gonna pour some into our little glass. No, the cinnamon sticks. It's fine. And we add a little bit of nutmeg, just for garnish. It's ready to be drunk. To be drank, to be drunk. Let's have a little sip feel. Delicious. I really, really like that. That is delicious eggnog. I love it. I'm tired, that's why I'm sitting on the kitchen counter. But that was today's video. That is the eggnog. I was gonna call it the nutmeg. No, it is eggnog. It is delicious. I highly recommend you try it. I obviously haven't made a boozy one. It's just the eggnog. If you want to add your favorite liquor to it, you can. Go for it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments below. If you would like to support me and this channel, then please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Merry festive season. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful festive season, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.